Oo, unang-una 'no, siguro kasi I've been seeing your feed na talagang naging vocal ka dito sa issue na ito. I mean, what made you decide to finally, speak out on this, particular issue? Sabi mo nga parang parang new era 'to, eh, ni Carlo.
And, hindi kasi parang before, palagi mo siya makikita yung mga tao, di ba? You hear stories from people na nalululong sa online gambling, tas iba kilala natin, kaibigan natin. And then every now and then, people would message me, sinasabi na kung meron ba akong advice kasi nalulung sila sa gambling online. Kasi napakadali lang yung access ngayon compared to before, di ba? And even myself, when I was much younger, hindi man online, I've had like, alam mo, hindi naman like nalulong, pero there was a time na parang sinubukan ko siya and parang napasok ko, parang ayoko na talaga maulit ever again. So parang, alam mo na yung pain yourself na